Hey y'all, good morning. It is, what day is it? It's Wednesday, December 13th, 8:45 in the morning. It's the 14th day of Vlogmas. We made it this far, yay. I've got some kind of glare, I guess, from the window. What have I got? Wednesdays for me are usually, I've already done the litter, and what else do I usually do on Wednesday? I usually take the recycling, so I may try to do that. Though it's behind all the wood that Pat has put aside from tearing apart some of the cabinets for our kitchen renovation, and he hasn't decided what he's gonna do with it, so he doesn't want to just throw it out in the yard or take it to the dump yet. So I will have to figure out if I can get to the recycling bins to pull them out. I would like to this afternoon go and do some shopping, try to finish up some of the last things. I'm trying to think who all. I mentioned yesterday stocking stuffers, a couple things for my nieces. I'll have to look at my list. Oh, and then my group of friends. But I have something I want to make for all of them, so I need to sit down at some point and work on that. Yeah. What else am I gonna do today? I think I'm gonna pick up the house a bit today, especially the craft room and office. Those are the areas I can control. They are in my control. Whereas the kitchen with the renovation stuff, the fact that there are still spices. Oh, can you see those? That's all my spices sitting there in bins. And it's where I wanted to put out some of these little Christmas knick-knacky things, but I can't. So they're all piled on my table here. So I'll have to find another place for them, I think. Anyway, it's time to open some Advents before we get on with the rest of the day and the cleaning, and we'll see. I may take y'all with me on some of that. We'll start with my Arteza Advent calendar. Like I said, it is the 13th day, so this is over the hump of the halfway mark. So this is just on the other side on the downward slide. All right, so 13 is right here, and I am going to come from this direction. There we go. All right, let's see. I've started to pull this off. Is pushing in, would that be better? Oh, y'all, it's fighting with me. I really don't want to tear this up too much. I mean, and I know that's what it's intended for, but... Oh, we've got another tube here. This says it is watercolor tube paint and spiced apple. Okay. Let me show that to y'all. In this light, it looks like it's a corally color, so not quite orange, and not really red, because this is red. So that's a neat color. I don't mind a coral usually, so we'll have to see how it looks out of the tube. So watercolor, we've gotten a nice variety of paint so far from them, and I know that that's probably how they do it, so you can kind of figure out what it is you like from them and can order more. Next up is my Mix Me Day Advent swap with Nina Fickett. She and I swapped 24 days worth of gifts that we labeled and put into 4 categories. What are they? Vintage, purchased, overstock, and handmade are the 4 categories. So 6 of each of those items. Mine have some overlap, and y'all, I cannot remember what it is I sent Nina today, so I will have to go look. Yeah, I can't remember. I'll have to go look. Okay, so this is Nina's package in this nice little bag with a little tag of hers, and it says passing it on, which is what she has been putting on hers when it is an overstock from her stash. And of course, the cats are deciding to chase each other and fight. I've got one that decided to get in the chair with me. I hope y'all were able to see in that last clip. I tried to get a video of her while I was doing my morning pages. of her just laying on the couch purring. She's got such a loud purr. Especially the older she gets, it's like the louder she gets. So, and she's, I don't think we've worked out how old she is. She's like 14 or something. Alright, so here's my little bag. And like I said, this is something from Nina's Overstock. And I've been wondering about this one because it's such an odd, like, bundled shape. So, that sounds like a spray. So let's see, she's got it also wrapped in tissues. I think I'm gonna just have to tear the tissue. I think, let's see, is there some way to get in? Oh, Nina, you've made this one difficult. I can't get into it. Probably help if I turn some other lights on besides the Christmas tree lights, but I'm trying to enjoy it while it is here, and I'll probably turn it off after I do this, but I like in the mornings when it's so dark to turn it on for a little while. Oh, I don't have this one. It is Distress Oxide Spray and Spiced Marmalade. So 2 oranges today. That's kind of funny. I don't have this one, and I do love an oxide. So thank you, Nina. You're nailing it for me. And this is from your Overstock? Man. All right, guys, I'm going to go quickly and make a list. There's not much to it. I mean, there's lots of things I want to do, but I'm trying to think about what I can actually accomplish. So there's that. And so today I'm going to try to work on picking up some of the chaos so I can get my mind focused in. And I'm gonna get some pictures of yesterday's Care December. Y'all saw a peek of that yesterday. And I'll put a link up there. And I need, of course, to take pictures of this awesomeness. So I will do that, and let's get this ball rolling. I only have a couple hours to lunch, and then, like I said, after lunch, maybe go do some shopping. We'll see. Before I forget, I'm popping in to tell you what I sent Nina today as a variety of different papers. So a lot of napkins, doilies, and various other papers. I can't even remember what all it was. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to see her opening on Instagram. I'll have her links below so you can see too of what I sent her. She'll have a reel of it. So yeah, like I said, I remember quite a few napkins. And then I went through my doily folder, and I probably went through some other folders that are stored all together there, but I can't remember exactly what it was. I'm kind of hoping I sent her some of the trigonometric book pages because she mentioned that she liked those, but if not, I'll send her some of those later. Yeah. Okay, let's do some things. I don't even know what I filmed anymore. It's been one of those mornings. It's lunchtime now. Pat just left to go pick us up something for lunch because I am starving. I didn't eat breakfast again, so it is what it is. He's going to get that, and I have been frantically cleaning, like decluttering things. Like I can see the top of my desk now with yeah, I'll show you it in a little bit. Both desks, actually, my office desk and my craft desk. My office desk had piles of things that just needed to be sorted. I've sorted them. I also have made a list for Goodwill of things I'm gonna go maybe take tomorrow, I think. And the house, I don't know, I need to do something in the kitchen. Yeah, so that is probably next. First thing I want to do is get the recycling out from the obstacle course that my husband has set up for me. I'll show that to y'all as well. So yeah, I'm gonna get that gathered, try to get as much into my car as I can, and I'm gonna run to my sister-in-law's because she's got a couple things I want to pick up, and then I'm gonna go do some shopping. I have like 3 people that I want to finish up some gifts for, and then of course the stocking stuffers I've mentioned several times. So that is the plan for this afternoon. Of course, I won't be able to show you most of the presents, and not that anybody that's on my Christmas lists are going to be watching this. I'm positive, but I just don't like it out there. If somebody they know is watching it or something, it just feels like it's fun, a surprise. And y'all, I love surprises. I think that's part of the reason I love Advent so much, is I love, even if it's something little, I love that it's a surprise. Oh, and Nina and Marco poloed me, and in addition to, oh wait, hold on, Pat's calling. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry. Pat was calling to tell me that, and I may take y'all down there to take a look. They took a trailer out of the neighborhood. This neighborhood is crazy. There's trailers and houses and big houses and mini mansions, and it's just an old neighborhood that people built on and added to and subdivided lots and all kinds of things. But anyway, there's a trailer they took out, but they've still got like one room that I guess was added on or something that's out there. And he's like, it would make a really good picture if you want to walk down there. And I'm like, yeah, I might do that. But anyway, I really do want to get this recycling out. And what was I saying? I don't even know. He totally got my train of thought off. So I'm going to gather the recycling, get it out to the car, and I might walk down the street a little and see what, see the zombie house. First, here is the obstacle course that's in the way of my recycling in the corner. There's Artemis, who's making me very nervous because all of this wood has like, she must have a mouse in the hallway. Y'all, hold on. Is there a mouse? Oh, there it is. Is that a mouse? Yeah. So yeah, there's my recycling back there, but all of this stuff has like nails sticking out of it. Can you see? Yeah, so I've got to get there behind it and get my recycling out of here. Wish me luck. There's a glow this afternoon. I don't know. There's a haze out there. It's like something's burning. I ran out to take the recycling and go pick up some things for my sister-in-law. And I was going to go do the stocking stuffer shopping. Oh, I thought I was going to get it. But I decided I just wasn't going to have enough time before I needed to make dinner before Pat has band practice. So I just ran to Walmart to get cat litter and dog treats because, like you do. And while I was there, I was just about to go check out. And right by the checkout, they had boxes of candy canes. And it's the Brock's Peppermint, which are the best ones. So I grabbed a box. It was cheap. And I'm about to add them to the Christmas tree because every Christmas tree needs some candy canes hanging from it, right? That's why they're shaped like that. Actually, it's not. I know the candy cane legend. Actually, this one doesn't have 3 stripes. Well, it does have 3 stripes, 2 little ones and 1 big one. I might find the candy cane legend somewhere and share it with y'all. I've got copies of it somewhere. Anyway, so I'm going to hang these on the tree, and yeah, we'll see. That'll be a Christmassy thing I do today. So that's something, right? Because once I get these hung, I'm probably going to price some things for the gallery to take that tomorrow, and then some price things for the gallery and maybe do my hair December. But I need to get dinner started in about an hour, so I don't have much time. Don't mess with the tree. Oh, cats. guys, that's probably it for today. I didn't end up getting to care December. It's almost 7 o'clock. Pat's about to start his band practice. I didn't even turn the tree lights on, so I'm turning them on, and I think I'm gonna turn on the twinkle lights in the living room because I love them. And I'm gonna veg. I'm gonna sit on the couch and watch one of my shows that I don't get to watch because Pat doesn't like them. Oh, there's my twinkle lights. Oh, I'll have to show you otherwise. It's always so hard when I turn front facing camera. Look how curly my hair is. It was damp up in my bun or whatever. It'll fall out in like 20 minutes. Anyway, so that's it for today. I'm sorry it wasn't much. Thursdays are a little bit slower. I've got to pay some bills in the morning. And I might go ahead and do the shopping I need to do because it's really all in one shopping center, and see how far I get. I'm so close to being done with Christmas presents as far as what's coming in, and that's a good feeling. Now I gotta start wrapping. So I do enjoy wrapping though. That I tend to sit on the floor, turn on some Christmas music, pour some eggnog, and put on a Christmas movie. So that's a fun time. But I like to know that the shopping is done first. And I'm just blathering now. I will talk to y'all later in the morning tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this. Sorry, it's been a day. Oh, and you probably saw some of my watercolor flowers earlier. I need them to make for the cards I'm making. So I may actually bring those in the living room with me and work on those once I get the vlog here edited. So we'll see, because that's always fun. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.